Hi, I'm Nick. I'm one of the founders of Ivy for Parents, and I'd like to give you a quick overview of the app. So this is what you see when you first get on the app. All these pins here are different teachers within the Denver area who can tutor your child. You can tap on each one of them, or you can view all. View all gives you a listing of all the teachers by subject and certainly by school where they teach right now. I'm going to tap on Dottie Bass, a 5th grade teacher. Here you can read her profile, as well as look at recommendations. These recommendations are from other teachers who are recommending this teacher. You can also message or view the schedule of the teacher. You need to be logged in to be able to do that. We do that so that the teacher knows who they're communicating with when you're messaging with them. Let's go back, look at the main screen again, and you can see that at the top you can search by teacher, address, school, or subject. Let's say I have an elementary school child and I'm looking for a math teacher. So let's search by subject. I'm going to type in math right here. And of course, there's a teacher in my neighborhood. I live in the Wash Park, Platt Park neighborhood. And if I'm looking at this teacher, Megan Sweeney, who is a teacher at Montclair Elementary School, let's take a look at her. I can tap on her profile. Here's her profile. And then I'll look at her schedule and see when she's available. Now, this is one of the neatest things we have on the app. The teacher basically creates two ways of tutoring your child. You can go to them, which is a fixed location. In this case, this teacher has no fixed locations, or a commute area. A commute area is basically an area that the teacher is willing to drive to go to your home to tutor your child. In this case, I live in the Platt Park neighborhood, so that's within the commute area. And you can tap on the different days of the week at the bottom, and then tap on the circle, and that shows you when she's available to tutor your child. In this case, Fridays at 3:30 to 4:30, or let's say Saturday at 8 a.m. And let's say I choose that. So 8 a.m. on Saturday, I click continue. I type in my child's name, whose name is Claire. Her grade is, let's say, 1st grade. The subject, well, math. The address where you meet your tutor. Now, this is important. This has to be within the circle that she's willing to drive to tutor your child. Let's tap on 1600 South Broadway. There's no apartment. You can add a message here. Tap on review. And this is where you see the details of basically the location is your location. The price is $35 for an hour. The trip fee is an additional $5 that we add on if the teacher is coming to your location, and then you can tap on request booking. Cancellation policy is very straightforward. Basically, you can cancel the tutoring session at any point in time before 9 a.m. of the day of the tutoring session. Let's go back. After you send a request, then basically go into your My Tutors. My Tutors is where you'll see a teacher which teachers you have tutoring your child. In this case, it would be under the pending. You've requested a teacher to tutor your child. They can accept or decline it. Active, this is in fact a tutor for my 11th grader. My daughter is 11th grade, in fact, and she's getting some tutoring for her AP English Literature. There's one really interesting thing you can do here with the app is that if you'd like to skip a week, rather than cancel and lose your time slot with a teacher, you can skip. And skip allows you to skip that session because of illness or because something comes up or because, holidays are happening. It allows you to skip 1 or 2 weeks. There are other features on the app. I showed you the messaging. You can change notifications, but it's a pretty straightforward app. So if you have any other questions, certainly contact us or play around with the app. And I hope you find a great teacher to tutor your child.